Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ketan Sinha. I'm an alumnus of Galgotias School of Hospitality and I passed out in the year 2015. It's been 11 years and I've come after 11 years to the university and it's such a massive change. I had no idea. I honestly didn't realize how much it would have changed in 11 years. Such a massive and good change, I would say. And it's been a fun time teaching the students over here about hospitality and about food production. I hope they get interested more than they already are. And to the students listening to this, please do your level best. Give all your hard work you can for the next 5-6 years, and then it's smooth sailing. It'll take some time, but you'll get there. All the best. Thank you.